Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Diesel prices to be hiked by 14 rupees. Government decides to deregulate diesel prices. Fluctuation in diesel prices as per the performance of international market. Church organizations not happy with delimitation of Panchayat wards, says Directorate of Panchayat should postpone election of Panchayats with genuine objections. Director of Prosecution Shobha Dumaskar in ACB's net files FIR against Dumaskar. Dumaskar charged with charges of cheating and causing loss to the state exchequer. Cortalim by-election scheduled on 2nd June. Filing of nomination to begin from 9th May. Counting to be held on 15th June. And Salgaonkar in match-winning position against Sarvodaya in GPL finals. Centuries by Sagun Kamath and Karan Singh helped Salgaonkar post stiff target of 313 runs. Now the news in detail. Diesel prices will be decontrolled. The government on Tuesday said it has agreed in principle to deregulate diesel prices but is not considering similar proposal for cooking gas. Minister of State for Finance Namo Narayan Meena said it in a written reply to the Rajya Sabha. Now if this happens, diesel prices too will fluctuate like petrol as per the performance of international market prices.
In a politically and economically crucial and bold decision, the government on Tuesday informed Parliament that it is willing to decontrol diesel prices. The government in a written reply told the Rajya Sabha that the decision to decontrol diesel prices has been taken in principle. However, there is no proposal at present to fully deregulate cooking gas price. While petrol prices are market-linked, the government fixes the rates of LPG, kerosene and diesel. This results in a large budgetary expenditure on subsidies. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Church organizations say that delimitation of wards in Panchayat election has not been done in accordance with law. It said that Directorate of Panchayat should have postponed elections of other Panchayats with genuine objections like the Kalangun Panchayat. But Director of Panchayat says that they have postponed only one election due to manipulations in case of Kalangun Panchayat.
Executive Coordinator of Council for Social Justice and Peace Sauter D'Souza said that the Directorate of Panchayat should have postponed election of other Panchayat that have genuine objection as done in case of Kalangut Panchayat. CSJP has organized public hearing in Kartas Hall on 28th of April. CSJP would prepare a report taking into consideration the views of people and submit it to the government.
16 तारखेच्यान इलेक्शन प्रोसेस हे जालो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू जालो त्या उपरांत आता कालांगूटच्या हातून तेणे कोरिजंडम काडलो आनी तो कोरिजंडम फाटी घेतलो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट तर इतलो सेक्रेट आसलो डायरेक्टराक जाल्यार हे एकाच विलेज पंचायतीचे तेणे कित्याक केले रुलींग आमदार आसलो म्हणून आनी दुसऱ्यांक तेका तर हे इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन करूंक जाता कालांगूटचे जाल्यार दुसरे जे जेन्युइन केसीस आसा ते पोस्टपोन करून घेवचे कायदो आसा तो सगळ्यांक एक तरेन जावचो जेन्ना नोटिफिकेशन इश्यू जालें त्या वेळाच्यान कोर्ट सुद्दां इंटरफियर जायना इलेक्शनान एक कोरिजंडम काडीत रावपाचें एक कितें पद्दत आसा म्हणटच एके भाशेन तांकां जाय जाल्यार तेंच्यान जाय जाल्यार तेंच्या गव्हर्मेंटाच्या एगेन्स्ट जें कितें वेता तेचेर कोरिजंडम काडून लिगल कॉम्प्लिकेशन करून ती इलेक्शनां स्टॉप करूं येता आनी जें तांकां पसंद जाता आनी तेंच्या वाटेन वयता तें चलयत रावतात हातून खूब स्थापीत जालें की पॉलिटिकल इंटरफियरन्स has a role to play in Goa Panchayat elections.
Director of Panchayat Minan D'Souza said that they have withdrawn only one controversial corrigendum due to manipulation in the case of Kalangut Panchayat.
Code of conduct and election process, there are two different things. Now, what we have done is that wherever complaints have come from the public, now see, if you don't take complaints also, that is the directorate will to be blamed. And if you take complaints also and rectify also, we have to be blamed. In any case, leaving that aside, We have taken complaints wherever they have come and wherever we could refer to them videos, and if they have suggested changes, we have carried out. So how do we carry out changes is only to a corrigendum, and we have issued only one corrigendum to the delimitation notice, not many, because for rectification. In the case of Kalangut, what has happened is that through a corrigendum they have made some changes which are actually a fraud. It appears to be. That is that it created confusion. So now if that corrigendum was creating a confusion, Panchayat election would have been a big major hue and cry in village Panchayat. So what we did is that controversial corrigendum has been withdrawn. Since we had withdrawn that, State Election Commission had a reservation saying that the mandatory period of 5 days for display of the notice is not available with me if you have withdrawn it. So for that purpose, you just give me those 5 days by postponing the election of Kalangut by 5 days. So that is what we have done. It is not that because of the corrigendum that we are issuing corrigendums and corrigendum. That is not a correct thing.
Total 103 nominations were filed on the first day of filing nomination for the Panchayat election.
पहिल्या दिसा 23 तारीख एप्रिलचे संपूर्ण गोंयांत 183 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. तेतूंतलीं नॉर्थ गोंयांत 85 आनी सावथ गोंयांत 98 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. वॉर्ड्स जे बायलां रिजर्व आसा तेतूर 56 नॉमिनेशन्स आयलीं. तेतूंत नॉर्थ गोवात 25 आनी सावथ गोवान 31 अशी नॉमिनेशन्स आयले. ओबीसीची नॉर्थ गोवात 6 आनी सावथ गोवात 5. तशीच एसटी जे वॉर्ड रिजर्व आसा एसटी ताका नॉर्थ गोंयांत 2 आनी सावथ गोंयांत 2 अशी नॉमिनेशन्स आयली. 183 नॉमिनेशन्स टोटल जाले.
A reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar, with video journalist Sushant Par.
Director of Prosecution Shobha Dumaskar is now in trouble. The anti-corruption branch has registered a FIR against Dumaskar for cheating and causing loss to the state exchequer on Tuesday. The complaint was lodged by advocate Iris Rodrigues.
ACB registered a FIR against the Director of Prosecution Shobha Dumaskar for cheating and causing loss to the state exchequer on Tuesday. This is the first FIR in the year 2012 being registered at the anti-corruption branch. The FIR has been registered by the Superintendent of Police Bosco George at the ACB under Section 420, 474 of the Indian Penal Code and also Section 13 read with 1D, 1 and 2 of the Prevention of Corruption Act. Offences under these sections are non-bailable. FIR against Shobha Dumaskar comes just a week before her scheduled retirement from the government service. The complaint against Shobha Dumaskar was filed by advocate Iris Rodrigues. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Cortalim by-election is scheduled on 2nd June. Filing of nomination will begin from 9th May and will conclude on 16th May. Nominations will be scrutinized on 17th May. 19th May is the last day of withdrawal. Counting will be held on 15th June. BJP is almost certain about fielding Alina Saldana from Cortalim. However, Congress is still undecided on the candidate.
नवदीप कोर्तालीमचे बाय इलेक्शन डिक्लेअर जाला तेजेर आमकां डिटेल्स
हय आज सांजे कोर्टालीम बाय इलेक्शनाचे अनाउन्समेंट इलेक्शन कमिशनान केल्लो आसा. ताजे प्रमाणे आयच्यान कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आमचो स्टार्ट जालो. हे इलेक्शना प्रमाणे 9 तारखेक 9 मेक नॉमिनेशन स्टार्ट जातली आनी ती 16 तारीख पर्यंत आसतली. 17 तारखेक स्क्रुटिनी आसतली. 19 तारखेक विड्रॉवल आसतलें आनी 2 जुनाक इलेक्शन जातलें बाय इलेक्शन. ताजे उपरांत 15 तारखेक ताजें कावंटींग जातलें. म्हणजे हो कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट आयच्यान सुरवात जालो.
तो कोड कितल्या पर्यंत आसतलो म्हणजे ऑल फूल गोवा आसतलो काय पर्टिक्युलर एरिये खातीर आसतलो?
इलेक्शन हे बाय इलेक्शन आशिल्ल्या कारणान सावथ गोवाचो जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट आसा ताजे पुरतेच हे मर्यादीत आसतलें ह्या फावटी. आनी तो शक्यतो आमी रेस्ट्रिक्ट करतात जे पळय कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी आसा किंवा जे सब डिविजन आसात थंय पर्यंत करतात आनी सबन डिस्ट्रिक्टाक ताजें एप्लिकेशन आसता.
आनी ह्या कोडांत गव्हर्मेंटाक जशी बंधनां आसता हें करपाक जायना तें करपाक शकता तशी कितें बंधनां आसता?
न्ही जसो कोड पळय इलेक्शनाक आसता सेम जी बंधनां ह्या फावटी आसता.
नॉर्थ गोवान कामां करपाक शकता?
हय नॉर्थ गोवान सद्या तरी कामां करूं शकतात कारण हो कोड नॉर्थ गोवाक एप्लिकेबल ना.
2012 वर्सा गोंयकारां खातीर कोड ऑफ कंडक्टाचें वर्स जालां. डिसेंबर 24 पासून विधानसभेच्या निवडणुकीचो कोड चालू आशिल्लो. त्या उपरांत आतां पंचायतीच्या इलेक्शनाचो आनी आतां परत कोड लागला तो कुट्टाळीच्या बाय इलेक्शनाचो. कुट्टाळीच्या बाय इलेक्शनाचो कोड 18 जून पर्यंत चालू आसतलो. बीजेपीची उमेदवार एलिना आसतली हें जवळ जवळ निश्चित जालां. आतां काँग्रेस ह्या इलेक्शनाक कोणा उबी करतली तें पळोवचें पडटलें. व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी वांगडा लौकीक शिलकार प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.